What is up, you guys? On the road, and we got the Explorer back. I got the transmission rebuilt, and it runs like a brand new truck. And get going on the freeway. Let you hear the shifts. So far, so good. It is a pleasure. It's a pleasure driving this again. I don't care what nobody say. Winter beaters are the best cars to drive. They paid off. You can dog it out. And this, I'm gonna definitely need this for the snow because it's getting cold up here in Michigan. It's gonna start snowing real soon. So I literally just washed this truck and rained on it. And you can see where the leaves was at. Got it all dirty again. Yes, it was better for me to just have the transmission rebuilt rather than just go get a used one, because every shop was charging me the same amount of price. Well, I could have got a used one for a little bit cheaper, $1,900, but it wouldn't have been a warranty. So I figured, well, since I need this truck for the winter coming up and all the snow that we may be getting, I figured, you know what, I'm gonna just rebuild it because I didn't want to take any chances on another transmission breaking down on me. Yeah, $2,300 is a lot of money to rebuild the transmission. Yeah, it could have went on the down payment on another car, or I could have got another junky used car for $2,300 with 190,000 miles on it. But I say, you know what, I'm gonna just get the trans rebuilt, and I'm gonna probably hold on to this for a couple of more years, get a couple of more winters out of this. Who knows, maybe I'll turn this to a lifted truck. I don't know. So I had the transmission rebuilt at this place here, American Transmissions. They did an awesome job rebuilding. I got a 1-year warranty, 12,000 miles. It was a little pricey. So yeah, I know you're gonna roast me. I know a lot of y'all gonna roast me saying, well, that's too expensive. You spent too much. That could have been a down payment on a new. Can't forget about the weather update. It's 74. 74 in the month of November, which is very unusual for Michigan. Well, that pretty much ends this short video update of the Winter Beater Explorer. One thing I did notice when I got this truck back is that I have a slight exhaust leak on the exhaust manifold. I don't know if you can probably hear it, but well, see, it's not doing it as bad now because it's warmed up. But on cold starts, you know, I hear this ticking noise and kind of misfires a little bit when it's cold. Like the first 30 seconds it warms up. And I'm gonna probably do another video on that because I need to identify where this exhaust leak is coming from. But with that being said, I'm in this video. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. If you like this short video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I plan on doing more videos with this Explorer, and I'm trying to determine if this is going to be a project truck, turn it into a lifted truck, 1,000 horsepower build. I highly doubt it. I don't know. But see you soon.